Hello everyone, my name is Arnaud. Welcome to this general presentation of Digi-bill. The purpose of this video is to show you the different features we have on the platform, knowing that each of them is explained in more details either on our website or on our YouTube channel via dedicated videos. So to begin this general presentation, I would like to start with settings that you can access to here on the left side of the menu. Here on settings, when you go to account settings, you have here the profile where you can change any information related to your company. Then you can also change or modify the password. Here you have an interesting feature, which is e-bill settings, where you can register to e-bill directly from Digi-bill without having to contact a bank or another e-bill partner. It's fairly easy, it takes only 2 minutes and you'll be able to send e-bills within 2 days. If you already send e-bill invoices, you can also register through this button. Now you can also go into invoice settings, where you can change the template, the design of your invoices, and set up automatic reminders. You can also create a guest account. By creating a guest account, you will give the access to the main features of Digi-bill to another person if you want to delegate the invoicing task. Now, once you have the access to the platform, you can here access to the dashboard. Here on the dashboard, you have the 4 main features that we have that you can use as shortcuts by clicking on the button. You can also have an overview of the monthly revenues as well as the current status of your invoices. Finally, here at the bottom, you have the access to the latest invoices that you've sent through Digi-bill. Before sending your first invoice, I suggest that you access to customer management, customers, and here you can create a customer directly on Digi-bill, or you can download an Excel file that you can fill in and then directly import it into Digi-bill to upload multiple customers at once. You also have the possibility to create different groups with multiple clients or customers that you can then send the same invoice. Then if you go to product and service, you can do the exact same thing by creating a service directly on Digi-bill, or you can use the same system with the Excel spreadsheet. Now, how to create and send invoices. You go into new invoice. You can create a simple invoice, and here you can either send it to one customer or select a group. Then you can type in manually your product or service, or you can select the product or service that you've created in Digi-bill. Once you proceed, you simply need to select the sending channel and send your invoice. You also have the possibility to send bulk or grouped invoices by clicking on mass invoicing, feature that is more detailed in another video. If you are currently using another system and you only want to use Digi-bill as the invoice sending method, you can download your invoice into a PDF file and drag and drop it here. Another very interesting feature is the ability to send recurring invoices by selecting a starting date and an end date. Then you can select either one person or a group, select your product or services, and then continue just like any other features. When you go to invoice management, you will be able to find invoices that were previously sent or created. You can apply various filters to find a specific invoice and then apply any actions by clicking on these 3 dots. You can do the exact same thing with the invoices you've sent from a PDF file right here. And you can also see the recurring invoices that are currently active or that were previously created. Finally, regarding accounting, you can click on reports, download a report, select the start date and an end date, and Digi-bill will generate a report of the invoices created between those 2 dates. Using the same logic, you can also have a cost overview. You will be able to see how much invoice sending has cost you. Lastly, there is a small help tab that can guide you when you first start using the platform. You also have the possibility to contact us within the platform directly, and you can see here all our policies. Once again, if you have any questions, concerns, or need more information, do not hesitate to contact us directly via the email address available on our website, or contact me directly at my email address, which is also available on our website. In the meantime, I wish you an excellent discovery of the platform, and I look forward to seeing you soon.